Understanding control in corporate governance. Control Section 2(27). Control generally refers to the power or ability to direct or influence the management, policies, and operations of a company. It can be exercised through ownership of shares, voting rights, or contractual arrangements that confer decision-making authority over significant matters affecting the company. Key aspects. 1. Ownership and voting rights. Control often stems from ownership of a majority of shares or voting rights in a company. Shareholders or entities holding a significant percentage of voting shares can exert control by influencing decisions taken at shareholders' meetings. 2. Board representation. Control can also be exerted through representation on the board of directors. Board members have fiduciary duties and decision-making authority, influencing the strategic direction and policies of the company. 3. Management influence. Control may extend to influencing key management decisions, such as hiring executives, setting operational strategies, and approving major transactions or investments. 4. Contractual arrangements. In some cases, control can be established through contractual agreements that grant rights or impose obligations affecting the company's governance or operations, even without majority ownership. Types of control. 1. Direct control. This occurs when an entity or individual directly owns a majority stake in voting shares, enabling them to dictate decisions through their voting power. 2. Indirect control. Indirect control may arise when shareholders or entities form alliances, enter into voting agreements, or use other mechanisms to collectively exert influence over the company's affairs. Regulatory implications. 1. Regulatory oversight. Company law and regulatory authorities may scrutinize control arrangements to ensure compliance with corporate governance norms, prevent abusive practices, and protect minority shareholders' interests. 2. Anti-takeover measures. In jurisdictions with stringent regulations, anti-takeover provisions may limit the acquisition of control without proper disclosures, shareholder approval, or regulatory clearance. Importance. 1. Stakeholder protection. Effective control mechanisms ensure that decisions are made in the best interests of shareholders, employees, creditors, and other stakeholders, safeguarding their rights and investments. 2. Corporate governance. Transparent and accountable control structures promote good corporate governance practices, enhancing investor confidence and mitigating risks associated with mismanagement or abuse of power. 3. Business strategy and stability. Clear control frameworks facilitate the implementation of long-term business strategies, operational efficiency, and organizational stability.